with one simple 3D model. Endless possibilities. From isometric storytelling to stylized elevation diagrams. Let's start with 3D model to render. First, I created my 3D model. I used Rhino, but you can use any modeling program you like. The model is quite simple. I just added color to the glass. I also added these cubes to the sides to define the context. All you need to do is take a screenshot of your model. Now go to Render AI and click Start Creating. This will log you in and take you to the main page. At the top, you will see different tabs. Go to 3D Base to render. This section will open on the left side. You will see the upload area. I will upload the screenshot of the model. I am choosing Nano Banana Pro. And write the prompt, daytime architectural photograph of a sleek 2-story modular building located on a street corner in Europe. The building has undulating facade composed of layered 3D printed glass panels. The glass panels are slightly transparent. There are horizontal wide windows, cinematic lighting, sharp focus. I'm setting image strength to 50%. I want 4 generations, and generate. The result is perfect. The 3D model and render are completely consistent and exactly as I wanted. Everything matches. Let's look at the other images as well. These also look quite good and match the model perfectly. Only this one is a bit over the model, but the quality is still good. Let's try a different style by changing a part of the prompt. I'm selecting and modifying only this part of the prompt. Perforated white concrete, thousands of geometric circular holes casting dramatic shadow patterns inside. This is a bit beyond of the model. Let's look at the others. This looks better and fits the model perfectly. That's good too. The shadows inside are nice. With this method, you can get many options by simply changing a specific part of the prompt. These are the others I've created. I'm adding the prompts to the description. I'll give you a pro tip. Did you know you can also upload a 3D model here? Select Upload 3D Object. You can import and upload the model as an OBJ file. Here's the model. Choose the image size and adjust the angle. I generate with the first prompt. The quality is good again, and as I wanted. With this method, you can generate images directly from your model, rendering with reference image. This time, instead of specifying the facade details in the prompt, we will generate a visual by adding a reference image of our choice. Add the image you found for the facade here. We will change this part of the prompt to wall panels at the reference image and generate. It looks cute and fits perfectly to the model. They look quite good. By simply adding a reference image, you can make your facade look exactly as you want. Let's generate isometric views with our model. Come to Chat, upload the images. Firstly, I'm adding one of the images we rendered. Next, the screenshot of the isometric view I get from the model. Prompt is the key here. While maintaining the style from the first image, we're writing a prompt like this to visualize the angle we want. Here is the isometric view rendering exact match the style and environment. Let's adjust the context. Upload the isometric render to Chat. Add a few people walking on the sidewalks. Select the image from previous creations. Add rain. Each time, select the image you want to make changes to. Add rain and fog. Night scene. Add cars. Set time as sunrise. Remove people and cars. Architectural drawing. Watercolor drawing. At the final, we have series of images that tells a story about our context and design. Let's see how we can get various elevation drawings. Upload the rendered image and an elevation view from our model, and write the elevation style we want to have. Firstly, I want to a simple plain elevation drawing. It is a nice plain elevation drawing. And let's try a more stylistic one. I'm gonna just change this part of the prompt with blueprint. Here's the result. It is very detailed, and like the detailed drawing of the facade. This time, I want a transparent facade with interior lighting, black background. I like it. Text and the dimensions are almost completely correct. Minimalist geometric composition, conceptual, architectural facade. Nice details. X-ray architectural view, transparent walls, wireframe overlay, ghosted view, black background. It was a little surprise this time. Let's add our images and try again. It is a good wireframe elevation drawing. Mass study with primary colors, black background. It looks nice. It's added some interesting things above. In the panel on the left, we can see all the images we've created. By simply changing a few words at the prompt, we get various elevations. In this video, we see how we can create many different visuals from just a simple 3D model. Instead of spending hours rendering, it's possible to achieve and diversify your visuals by writing the right prompts. These are just a few of the methods you can use to get all your project visuals. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.